Hello dear students. Now in this video we have discussed what is disease. We can already know that. What are the types of disease? What are the different categories or what are the different types of disease? We can discuss in this video. Okay, let's start the different disease or the classification of disease or the types of different type of disease. We can already know in our previous video that disease is a condition by which the physical, mental or sociological whole being is not properly, they will be properly function. That means if we can physically, mentally or in sociologically we can defect, then we call them is suffering from this some disease. Let we start the next. In this video we have discussed about the classification of disease. What is classification of disease? Generally, the disease can be classified into following categories. Generally, आम जो disease टाको आमे ये जो विभिन्न कैटेगरी आमे ता कौन करचे डिवाइड करी अच्छे. ओके कौन कहला पिले ये जो आम जो disease को आमे कौन करचे विभिन्न क्लासिफिकेशन करचे. लाइक द फर्स्ट वन इज द congenital disease, next one is the acquired disease, third one is the bacterial disease and last one is the helminthis disease. Okay, let's start. What is congenital disease? So it is a type of disease. It is a type of disease or it is a inborn disease. देखो एटा कौन कहला एटा one type of disease or it is otherwise called as inborn disease. That means it is a inborn disease. That means this disease in our body till birth. कौन कहला देखो बिले ये जो हमर जो congenital disease कौन कहला it is a type of disease by which or it is a inborn disease in which the disease in our body from the birth or till birth जन्म हेबाठू आरंभ करिकी आम देहरे कौन अछि ए प्रकार डिजीज ता आम देहरे रही अछि सेटा आमे कौन बोली कहउचे congenital disease बोली कहउचे. ओके these are mainly genetical disease. कौन कहला it is mainly genetical. We have already discussed in our genetics topic what is genetical disease like hemophilia, color blindness, ओके तो ये जो प्रकार डिजीज ता जोटा कि आमे जन्म हबा संगरे बा इनबॉर्न माने जन्म हैला तो हम देह रही अछि से प्रकार डिजीज को आमे कोन बोले कहले congenital disease बोली कहले. तो एटार हमर एग्जांपल देली तो जस्ट एग्जांपल हला हमर सम एग्जांपल्स आर हेमियोफिलिया एंड कलर ब्लाइंडनेस. नेक्स्ट आसी आमे कोन नेक्स्ट वन इज द एक्वायर्ड डिजीज. एक्वायर्ड वर्ड अछि एक्वायर्ड. एक्वायर्ड माने कोन कहला it is a type of disease. I can write it. It is a type of disease by which our body एटा गोटे सही प्रकार डिजीज जोटा कि it is a type of disease by which our body can receive throughout our lifespan. आमर जीवन समय भितरे बा आमर जीवन सारणी भितरे आमे बंचिथिबा जाई आमे जो प्रकार डिजीज जाकरा आमे सफरिंग करूचे बा आमर बॉडी जोटा कि सफर होउची माने वी कैन गेन और वी कैन occupy or we can enter the different type of disease or the pathogens will be enter in our body. So these are called as acquired disease. जो डिजीज टा कि हमर कोन कोचे इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ डिजीज दैट वी कैन डिजीज फ्रॉम आवर outer environment हला नै by which the body can receive throughout our lifespan by the outer environment कोठु हमर बॉडी टा रिसीव कला ई जो डिजीज जाको फ्रॉम द आउटर एनवायरनमेंट और फ्रॉम द आउटर सोर्स रो जो डिजीज जाको बा जो बैक्टीरिया जाको जो पैथोजेंस जाको जोटा आसी हम देह रे एंटर करूचंती इन आवर लाइफ स्पान जीवन सारणी भितरे सेही प्रकार डिजीज टा को हम कोन बोली कहउचे एक्वायर्ड डिजीज बोली कहउचे एंड द एक्वायर्ड डिजीज इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू टाइप्स ई जो एक्वायर्ड डिजीज टा को हम जनरली दी भाग रे व्यक्त करछ वन इज द नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज What is the one is the non-communicable disease and second one is the communicable disease. Sir, what is non-communicable disease? ओडिया रे हमें सुनिचे गुटे डिया रोग बोली सुनिचे डिया रोग माने कोन कम्युनिकेबल जण उठाउ जण को ट्रांसफर होची नॉन कम्युनिकेबल जो रोगटा की जण उठाउ जण व्यापे नाही सी प्रकार डिजीज मानो हमें कोन बोली कहबा नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज बोली कहबा तो कोन कहला in the acquired disease is divided into two parts that is non-communicable disease and communicable disease. What is non-communicable disease? It is a type of disease. It is a type of disease which cannot transfer from one person to another person by physical contact. कौन कहला देखो नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज कौन कहला इट इज ए टाइप ऑफ डिजीज एटा सही प्रकार डिजीज बा रोग जोटा कि which cannot be transferred from one person to another person गोटे पर्सन टू आउटे पर्सन को ये ट्रांसफर होनी केतोले when by the person by physical contact जेतोले कि हम ता फिजिकली कांटेक्ट करूचे ताहले एई जो रोगटा हमर ताकू व्यापु नाही जण पर्सन टू मींस द सफरिंग पर्सन और द डिजीज पर्सन टू ए हेल्दी पर्सन इट विल बी नॉट ट्रांसफर थ्रू द फिजिकल कांटेक्ट लाइक कौन सर से सब जाक एग्जांपल दिरे दियंदु एग्जांपल डायबिटीज हाई बीपी बा लो बीपी हला नै जोटा हमें कोन बोली कहउचे हाइपरटेंशन और हाइपोटेंशन बा डायबिटीज तो ए प्रकार डिजीज जाको हमें कोन बोली कहउचे नॉन कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज बोली कहउचे दैट डिजीज which will be not transfer from the unhealthy person or the diseased person to a healthy person by a physical contact. These type of disease are called as non-communicable disease. These are like hypertension, diabetes, and different types of and so on. Okay, next one is the communicable disease. Just opposite of the non-communicable disease. It is a type of disease by which it will be transferred from the one person to another person through the air or by the physical contact or by the water or by different way. Okay, so एटा कोन कहला communicable disease कोन कहला it is a type of disease by which it will be transferred from the a diseased person to the a healthy person by a physical contact or by through the air or by through the water. Sir, how it will be spread through the air? If a diseased person will be sneezing, छिंकिला, then सेही जो diseased person देहर थिबा हमर जो virus बा bacteria से सब जाके air रे spread हले and when a healthy person will be inhale that जदि से जो healthy person ताको inhale कला ताहले सेही disease ता देह को entry गेला by through the air. Sir, how it will be transferred through the water? If a healthy person will be stool on a water, okay, water रे किछि जदि stool हला stool कला then it will be transferred through by the water रे सेडा गला देखिथिबो in a small villages छोट छोट गां मानकर कोन करंती से माने पोखरी नदी ए सब जगह पानी टाको वाटर टाको से माने यूज करंती सेठी जदि किछि जदि हमर रोगटा हि थाए ताहले सेटा थ्रू दी वाटर मध्ये जीव थ्रू दी फूड आल्सो जाउची फूड किमे जाउची इफ ए any fruit fly will be sit on your stool, and if a person will be stool on the open place, and the fruit fly will be sit on that, and it will be after it will be goes into the sit on your food particle, and you can eat that, then it will be transferred through the food particle. So this is the communicable disease जोटा कि हम ओडिया रे डिया रोग बोली हमें कहचे. तो कौन कहले it is a type of disease by which the disease which will be transferred from to a diseased person to the healthy person through by the physical contact or by the air or by the food or by the water. These type of disease are called as communicable disease. Some example of communicable disease is chickenpox, hela nahi. Next, measles, chickenpox, measles, ଆଉ କଣ common cold generally. ଆଉ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ जोड़ा ये चाली लेटेस्ट ये जो वन टाइप ऑफ कॉमन कोल्ड का ना कौन चलती कोरोना है ना इट विल बी ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम दी वन पर्सन टू द अनदर पर्सन दैट इज आल्सो ए कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज. ओके इट विल बी ट्रांसफर थ्रू बाय द एयर or by the water or by the physical contact, so the person are not touch to each other, yes or no. So this is a one type of communicable disease. तो यही जाके देखिला हमें disease रे classification of disease रे गोटा आसले हमर congenital disease. Next one is the acquired disease, and the acquired disease which will be divided into two parts, that is the non communicable disease and communicable disease. Now we can discuss discuss what is bacterial disease. Bacterial disease माने कौन? The disease which will be had by the bacteria. एटा गोटे disease जो disease टा कौन होचे हमर bacteria थ्रू जदी होच हला नै. So this type of disease is called as bacterial disease, like tuberculosis, typhoid. Example रे देली दीटा example. These are the different type of bacterial disease like typhoid, Salmonella typhi or Salmonella paratyphi. This is the causative organism or the causative organism or a bacteria which will be caused typhoid to us. Typhoid fever सुनी थियो तम पिला ने we अब फर्स्ट डिस्कस करिया मध्ये आजी हला नै टाइफाइड विषय रे. तो कोन गला बैक्टीरियल डिजीज कोन गला इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ डिजीज which will be caused through the bacteria. Bacteria द्वारा जो डिजीज ता हुए हम सेटा को हमें बैक्टीरियल डिजीज बोली कहते. एग्जांपल रे असले हमर कोन डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ टीबी एंड टाइफाइड. Next one is the another type that is called as Helminths disease. What do you mean by Helminths disease? It is a type of disease by which the person will be suffering from the physical contact or by the if they will be placed in a improper environmental condition or a not climatic good not good climatic condition, then this type of disease are called as Helminths disease. Example, Ascaris, ringworm, redworm, filariasis. So these are the different type of disease which will be due by the different type of bacteria. So these are the different classification of disease by which a person will be suffering from the different way or the different classification of disease. Okay, this is all about the different classification of disease. Now we have studied one by one your syllabus diseases. Okay, so your first disease in your syllabus is study, that is the typhoid. Okay, let's start the typhoid.